there, Sandra here from Create in Spain and another Christmas card. Okay, this one is Silent Night themed. I have done a card base and I've done a very slim blue line around the edge and I've written Silent Night. Now I did all this on the Brothers Scan and Cut. I also made a stencil which has got lots of circles in it and I'm going to use that to emboss this piece, and so it's going to give a nice textured background. So I think now you can see the texture on there, which is exactly what I wanted. It just adds a bit of interest. So the next bit for me is going to be a little bit different to normal because I've actually been using some metal dies. I've got some dies which came from a company called Craspire, and I've chosen some tree dies. Now this came as one complete set. So with all the dies, this is what you get. Trees just out of the one die set. Now this one is CP0001-06. I'll put the links down below. And it also comes with a cute little tiny star as well. Oh, how sweet. So I need to choose what I'm going to put onto this card. Now originally I thought I was going to be doing something with these, but having seen this one, I changed my mind. What I'm going to do is stick it down and then I'm going to trim off what I don't need. I'm going to take this Tim Holtz stamping tool here, or blending tool I should say, and I'm going to use that to make the back of these sticky. A bit more glue needed, I think. Hopefully doing it this way I won't end up with glue on the front, because using a mirror card, metallic finish one, it's going to look absolutely horrendous if I get glue all over the other side. But I did notice I've managed to take the surface off of that little bit of tree trunk. So, cheat and use a little bit of pen. Hopefully that won't be too noticeable. And I can trim off the edges from the side. And then I've almost finished it. I'm probably going to put a few little sparkly bits on here. Now I could possibly mount this one on a blue base because I've got a card that almost matches that blue and it would look very nice. But I'm in a white on white mood at the moment. So here's my finished card. I think it looks really, really lovely. It's quite stunning with that silver on the white. And I must admit, I'm impressed with the dies. They are much nicer than I thought they were going to be. The fact you get all of this within one set I think is pretty good. Now if you wanted to do something a little different, what you could do is get some watercolour brush pens or felt tips and do a little bit of colouring on the inside. But as I said, I'm into the white on white at the moment and I just wanted to leave it completely colour free. But it looks very pretty just as it is. Craspire are offering you a discount if you use a code that will be included down below of $5 if you spend $40 in the store, and I don't think it'd be particularly difficult to do that. So that's my card for today. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you've liked this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and I'll see you again soon. Take care now.